Question 5. That the number 9002.05 can be written as 9 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 times 10 raised to the power of A plus 5 times 10 raised to the power of B. That we should given that A and B are integers, we should find the values of A and B. So what we have to do is to expand 9002.05 in standard form and then compare our answers with what we have on the question and see from there we can get our values for A and B. So our solution, we have it that 9002.05 is equal to 9000 plus 2 plus 5 over 100, because this is taking the 100th place value, so it is written as 5 over 100. Now, this can be simplified further as 9 times 10 raised to the power of 3, because this is 9000, plus 2 is in units, so it can be written as 2 times 10 raised to the power of 0, plus this is 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So when you compare what you have here with what you have in the question, you now agree with me that if this is equal to 9 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 times 10 raised to the power of A plus 5 times 10 raised to the power of B, from comparison, when you compare 1 and 2 together, you will discover that A is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus 2. This is 9 times 10 raised to the power of 3, which is okay, and this is 2 times 10 raised to the power of, this is 0 and this is A. It therefore means that A is equal to 0, and this is 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 and 5 times 10 raised to the power of B. So B is equal to minus 2. So that is what you get as your answer. As simple as that. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. I also recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take the next example